concrete products, and today we're going to be having a look at the differences between the RIDGI and the Pioneer range of concrete sleepers, both available for purchase at your local Bunnings Warehouse. The RIDGI range of sleepers are designed for retaining walls, garden beds or garden edgings that go to a maximum height of 900mm, whereas the Pioneer range of sleepers can be engineered designed for retaining walls up to 3 metres in height. The thickness of the RIDGI sleepers are 65mm, tapered down to 50mm at the end, whereas the sleepers for the Pioneer range are 75mm thick across the whole way. The face of the RIDGI sleepers are 150mm, whereas the Pioneer range of sleepers are 200mm thick. The posts available for the Pioneer range are just this galvanised steel colour, whereas in the RIDGI range you can get the galvanised steel or this graphite powder coated. Let us know what you think about our post covers, as this is something we're trialling at the moment. And don't forget to drop by your local Bunnings special order counter to purchase the range.